guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today we have a lot planned, lots to do, and we're about to head out. I just finished getting ready, so I thought I would show you my outfit before we leave. Bed is made, so the background's looking good. I'm actually wearing the same exact top that I wore in the last vlog. I just washed it and ironed it so it looks a little bit nicer. It's just a linen top from H&M, and I paired it with these white linen shorts. Outfit again is in my summer outfits video. I literally wear all of the outfits in there because they're so good. It's really easy, comfortable, but still really chic. I decided to pair this outfit specifically with more comfier heels. In the video I paired them with like really like stiletto heels, but these are just from Steve Madden and they have like a thicker heel and they're just better for like walking around. Doing a little bit of antique shopping today, so want to be a little bit comfortable but still cute. Jewelry is from Epiphany, H&M. I will have my entire outfit linked down below. And this really amazing bag I showed you guys in my favorites video. Very chic bag. I love it with like the all linen look. I like it just kind of under my arm like that, but you can also drape it over like that if you want to. I like the look of just kind of carrying it. It's like a slouchy pouch look, which I really like. We have made it to Big Daddy's. Such a vibe already. Look at that huge geode with some cool pots. Humongous vessels. Like, oh my god, look at how big that is. Don't shit on Home Goods. I love Home Goods. I mean, they're different. It's antiques. Yes, it's antique furniture. They have a lot of good, like, obviously antique stuff, but a lot of good chairs, mirrors, what else? Cool, like, lighting stuff. A lot of good pot things. I was gonna get something, but my budget was like $40, and the cheapest thing in there was beads that were $73. So I asked her how much this pot thing was. If you watch my last vlog, I got one from Home Goods for like 40 bucks. Obviously this is antique stuff. I asked her how much it was and she literally says $600. I said, oh. Okay, we're going inside. We're not buying a $600 pot. Thank you. I'm good. I'm okay. Now are we going to tacos? Yeah. Yes. Going to get my favorite tacos ever. Our favorite tacos. Taco Super Gallito. So good. Street tacos. So that's a plan. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Oh yes. Can I have 3 carne asada tacos?
Would you like any tacos?
Yes, please.
Tacos as well?
Okay, one chicken burrito.
Share a horchata.
Yeah, and then can we get 1 large horchata, please?
3 asada tacos, 1 chicken burrito, 2 chicken tacos, and 1 horchata.
Let's go.
Perfect. Yes, got the tacos, beans, all the sauces, like a hot sauce, red sauce, and then the avocado sauce is the best. It's our favorite. And obviously, an horchata. Oh, I miss this.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Okay, we are at Hobby Lobby now. Hopefully you can hear me, but we're at Hobby Lobby. I'm looking at some of the greenery. So annoying. Maybe because I want to find something that will go in my little pot that I just bought. So found these and I think they would look really good. Natural looking and everything is 50% off. I want to see how these will look in that pot. It really wants me to add color, but I'm like, no color besides green. Lots of, those are pretty berries. No, not really the vibe I'm going for. This is the vibe. We just got back from Hobby Lobby, showing you guys what we picked up. So I ended up getting a lot of greens. Got the ones that I showed you. So these ones, I'm not really sure what plant this is. Okay, it doesn't say, it just says floral. Muted, like green plant, really skinny, and I think it would look really cute. So I just got 3 of those. They were $14.99 on sale, 50% off, so they were $7. And then I got these olive branch because I know olive branch is very just like in right now. I like the way that it looks, so I wanted to buy both and see what it would look like inside of the pot. The last thing that I got is this little bead. I thought it would look really cute just as decor, a shelf or a book or something like that, just kind of like laying on a book. First we'll do these. So these are definitely too tall. I'll have to like bend them a little bit. I don't know, Tyler, what do you think? They're a little too tall, but I don't know.
You're gonna need to have...
I know, but I don't know if these are like the vibe.
Did you put the olive guys in?
No. I wanted to try that one first. So let's try this. I don't know if I like either of them. Fine, well that was a fail. I didn't like any of those. Well, guess those are going back. I think this would still be really cute, so let's style this. Maybe on like a book or something. Maybe like somewhere over here. What do we think of this on here?
I like that. That looks good.
Ooh, cute. I like. So I also got in a package from Amazon. I feel like we're shopping there every other day these days. They're my favorite sheets from Amazon to order. I love a really clean, crisp white bed. I feel like white sheets and sheets specifically are super hard to find, like really good ones. Found these from Amazon about 2 years ago and I have like purchased them religiously. I always rebuy just the same ones. They're Milani fine linen. The difference in these sheets is not only are they super crisp and white, they look really good on your bed, they are the softest sheets ever. They're so soft to the touch. Literally almost like changes the way that you sleep. I feel like really good sheets changes your sleeping game. You just sleep so much harder. That is exactly the case with these sheets. So they're just super crisp looking. Like I said, they're super white. I just rebuy them every like 3 months because I feel like white sheets, you can bleach them, you can wash them. Over time, they just don't hold up like that crispness. So you have to like rebuy white sheets. It's just the case with them. I feel like with colored sheets or like black sheets or anything that is not super white, that doesn't show color that much, you can get away with it being a little bit dirty. But with white, if it doesn't look super crisp, then it just looks off. So I just rebuy them really every couple months, and it comes with pillowcases, a flat sheet, and a fitted sheet. So I will link these down below. These are literally my favorite. It's just Milani from Amazon. I'll put the exact one down below. I also picked up new pillows from Bed Bath & Beyond. From this brand, the Bed Bath & Beyond brand, Wham Sutta. I don't know if you've ever heard of them. Wham Sutta from Bed Bath & Beyond. So looks like that. If you could tell. They are really nice sheets. Not sheets. They're really nice pillows. And what they feel. Oh my god. I literally can't. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding?
These are some good pillows, guys.
They are really good pillows.
Link down below.
Oh my god. He always makes fun of me when I say something's linked, but it's helpful, okay? Gotta link this shit. Like I said, I haven't slept on these yet, but I want to, and they feel really nice. I'm a side sleeper, so these pillows are specifically for side sleeping. So I will let you guys know, give you a little update on these pillows. But if you're looking for new ones, Bed Bath & Beyond has really good ones for a really affordable price. These were only $15, each, and I got 2. I'm about to remake my bed because I need to get some fresh sheets on there, so that's what we're gonna do. Freaking people cutting the grass is like next level annoying. I am about to like, ugh. We are hiking today out in, I don't know where this area is because I want to put on some sunscreen first. Yeah, we are out in like Mulholland, Bel Air area. It is so nice. The houses out here are like humongous. I'm like, wow, this is like a dream. Yeah, they're still building like some new ones up there. I'll show you guys, but they're like huge. Some sunscreen first, so we don't get burnt because it's really hot. It's like the sun is scorching. You could take it off for a little. For like 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Get that neck. Bees, stay away from me. Here, I should take them off, huh?
Yeah.
I forgot I have pimple patches on. That's not cute. Pimple patches, guys, I'm telling you, I literally forget I have them on. They're so good. From Hero Cosmetics. So here is the like little area that we're in. You can see a big ass house over there, and then there's another one that they're building. I know it's kind of far and hard to see, but look at that. And there's another one over there. This is like the trail that we're going up. So I'm not sure exactly where it starts, but I'll show you the view. It's insane. When they say goals, like this is what they're talking about. Huh?
View.
Yeah, that view is insane. It's like, what is it called again? Back to Greenbelt, right? Back to Greenbelt is the term. Basically, it means buying a house where they won't build, like, blocking. Yeah, they won't build another house behind blocking your view. So that house is technically back to Greenbelt because the view is not blocked. Is this technically the valley?
That's the valley down there.
Oh, really?
Yeah. That's Encino.
I'd be down to live in Encino.
Yeah, Encino's nice. It just gets really, really hot.
Yeah.
That's the thing.
I mean, that's what AC's for. Where does this thing start? And where's Shashan? Oh, wait, I left my phone on the back. Here, hold this.
Oh my gosh. And she complains about me leaving stuff. Oh, don't get run over.
Okay, so walking back to the car. We did, I think, like about a mile. So now it's gonna be like a mile back from where we came from, but I've just kind of run out of juice, out of gas, because we're almost out of water, so I don't really want to walk like forever, but we literally could walk all of that additionally. Like there's a lot more to walk. I think this whole trail is about 6 miles, but we did about like a third of that because obviously your girl doesn't work out, so I'm not about to do a 6-mile hike. Oop. Jacket was falling. Saying it feels really good to get out of the house and just like get some fresh air, get some exercise in, cardio, and I feel like just being up here with the view and like the butterflies and just everything feels really nice. It's a change in pace. I need to take advantage of California hikes and trails and all that stuff because I feel like it'll help me like ease into working out. Baby steps, taking it one step at a time. But I'm gonna finish this hike and then probably get something to eat, get some lunch, and finish the rest of our day. Hope you guys are having a good Sunday.